Hey, good looking. You want to see what we all have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right on into my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you how to make a Copycat Lipton instant soup mix. So, let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm going to sit there and show you a copycat version of the Lipton instant soup mix. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. What I have here is 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon celery seed, 4 teaspoons of onion powder, 1/3 cup beef bouillon, and 3/4 cup of dried minced onion. Now, I'm gonna go grab me a spoon and we're gonna mix that all up. I have myself a spoon. Now, you're going to want to sit there and make sure that we really mix this up good. Don't rush it. Take your time. And now, just so you know, this isn't done. I just want to sit there. When you're going to be using the instant Lipton onion soup mix, 5 tablespoons will equal 1 packet of the instant onion soup mix that you would buy from the stores. Well, good looking. That's how easy it is to make your very own Copycat Lipton instant onion soup mix. So if you really liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And be sure to hit that subscribe button. Tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins'. Y'all come back now. You hear?